We are beginning a new trial here at Ziering Medical, and we're excited to be part of this trial, and where we're going to use ALLOFILL Plus. ALLOFILL is simply human fat, but ALLOFILL Plus also has dermal tissue, and the advantage of the dermal tissue is that there's some stem cells in that as well. But this functions pretty much as a matrix, so it keeps whatever we're going to put in there around in the location that we want. And so that's really important when you hear what we're going to combine it with. The AMP aesthetic is a bone marrow constituent from the human as well, and what that is, it's loaded with stem cells. So that's the exciting thing that we're going to do. We're going to combine these two, and so this is going to give us our stem cells that we expect to help grow the hair, and this is going to be the matrix that's going to keep it in the area that we inject it into. So we're looking at this similar to what we do with an A-cell PRP, but as you know from PRP, we have to draw the blood, and that's difficult for patients that have rolling veins or patients that just don't want to have repeat blood draws, and so we can use these products. So we're going to test it and see how we do. In theory, it should work very well.